Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or turn on night mode on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17N, doesn't matter which 17 you have, this how you do it. So for that, go to settings. In here, if you scroll down, you can find the display brightness here, tap on it, and here again, if you go down, you got the night shift here. You can schedule it anytime you want, or you can manually enable it until tomorrow. That's how it looks like when it's enabled. And as well, you got the color temperature option here. You can adjust it the way you want it. You want to have less warm, or you want to have more warm, whichever way you like. So that's how you do it. So for the shadow, actually, just tap on it, and here you can select from where you can have a custom shadow, like from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. like that, or you have the sunrise and sunset one. So when sunset to sunrise, the night mode will be automatically on. Yep, that's how you do it. That's how you can enable or turn on night mode on iPhone 17. So thanks for watching.